Dress accordingly. Charisma also hinges on the way you dress. A clothing that fits your body and your personality contributes to your charisma in a positive way. Bear in mind that when judging you for the first time, people look at the way you dress. When you meet someone new, this person has very little knowledge about you with which to judge you. They are going to use things such as your facial expressions, your body language, the way you talk, and your clothing. Hence, it is important to dress in a way that contributes to your charisma. Your clothing reflects your social status. If you dress like a bum, people will see you like a bum. On the other hand, if you dress like a businessman, people will see you like a businessman. This is an extreme example, but it will help you understand the impact of your clothing on your perceived social status. I'm not telling you to dress like a businessman all the time, but simply to dress properly. Your clothing also reflects your personality and your social intelligence. Use alpha body language. Your body language says a lot. Just by looking at a person's body language, you can tell whether they feel at ease or are nervous. You can tell whether they appreciate the moment or are bored. Have this in mind. Adopt a body language that shows that you are at ease and that you fear nothing. Don't be afraid to occupy space. Don't be afraid to adopt the posture and gesture of the boss. But that's not all. Also learn how to be expressive with your body. You can convey emotions much more effectively by making gestures. The key is to move in a confident way. That is to say, without making nervous gestures, but by consciously choosing the gestures you do. Being expressive with your body adds energy to your message. It makes it more impactful. Body language is a key component of your charisma. Make strong eye contact. Eye contact is another key component of your charisma. Looking people in the eye when talking to them allows you not only to convey your message effectively, but also to project presence, dominance, and power. It shows that you mean what you say. It shows that you're not afraid to speak your mind. It shows that you control the situation. Needless to say, it contributes greatly to your charisma. I'm not telling you to stare non-stop at the person in front of you, but that you look at them when you say something to them. When they say something to you, you can from time to time look away, but never look down. Bear in mind that you must use your look in order to convey your message in an effective way. That's why it's precisely when you're saying something to the person in front of you that you should make strong eye contact. Control your emotions. Don't be a slave to your emotions. Don't allow yourself to be ruled by emotion. Don't let your emotions take over.